Hello, today I will explain and show how to prepare, undertake and get your COVID-19 test ready for collection. Before doing anything, you must visit a website and book your courier collection of your test. You will find the link in the description below. You must not post it in the mail. There is a free phone number for anyone without internet. Again, you'll find this in the description. Once collection is booked, you will then know when to take the test, as it must be undertaken on the same day as your collection. Your test must be done on this day and must be completed and ready for collection by 8 AM, as collections may be as early as 8 o'clock in the morning. So let's get started. Firstly, be sure to wash your hands thoroughly with soap and warm water. Unpack your test kit onto a clean surface. You can use the unfolded box if you like. Firstly, peel off one of the serial number labels and stick it lengthways over the label that is already on the specimen tube. Next, blow your nose and cough into a tissue. Throw this tissue away in a bin and wash your hands again thoroughly using soap and warm water. Remove the lid from the specimen tube so it is ready to put the swab into once used. Remove the swab from the packaging. It is very important that the soft end of the swab doesn't touch anything other than your tonsils or nasal passage. To swab your tonsils, rub the swab over both tonsils. You will need to rub the swab over each tonsil about 10 times, rolling the swab as you do so. Use a mirror if you need to. This may not feel very pleasant and you may gag a little. Any discomfort won't last long. Be sure not to touch your tongue, teeth, gums or anything else with the swab. To swab your nasal passage, slowly and gently insert the swab approximately 1 inch or 2.5 centimetres or until you feel resistance. The swab will need to be rotated about 5 times to get a good sample. Repeat in your other nostril too. This may also cause some discomfort. Don't insert it any deeper if you feel any strong resistance or pain. Now place the swab soft tip first into the specimen tube. Snap the end of the swab at the break line so the swab fits into the tube. Make sure the lid is fastened securely. Now wash your hands again thoroughly with warm water and soap. Now place the specimen tube into the biohazard bag. Peel off the adhesive strip and seal along the dotted line. Place another serial number sticker onto the biohazard bag where indicated. A Assemble the shipping box. The instructions are on the bottom of the box. Here is a video of me assembling the box, as you will need to fold any fold lines inwards towards the inside of the box. Put your sealed biohazard bag into the assembled box and seal the box with the supplied security seal label. Lastly, peel off the return label and attach to the outside of the return box. The box must then be kept in the fridge until the courier comes to collect it. After completing the sample, you then need to complete a quick survey online. You'll find the link below in the description. You will need your access code from the label sheet to complete the survey. You should receive your test results within 1 week of your swab being collected. This will be via email or text message. Thanks for watching and stay safe.